Hi students, welcome to the problem solving session on divergence. So the question asked is find the divergence of the following vector field. Right, so they gave vector field and we have to find the divergence. So you see the first problem. For first problem, A is x squared y ax plus xz az. So it is having only ax az component. So surely it must be a Cartesian coordinate system. X and z are there, right? So we know what is the divergence equation for Cartesian coordinate system, that is given by del dot A is equal to dou Ax divided by dou X plus dou Ay by dou Y plus dou Az by dou Z. Fine. So what you have to do, we have to differentiate everything with respect to the component, right? So first what is Ax? Ax is nothing but component of x, right? This is what our component of x direction, Ax. Similarly, this is what component of y direction, component of this vector along Ax direction. That's what Ax. Ay is component of this vector along the y direction. This is component of vector along the z direction. So that's what Ax, Ay and Az meaning, right? So what we have to do now, we have to substitute all the values, and after the substitution we can get the answer simply. Fine. Okay, let us do that. So what is Ax? Ax is given by dou x, right? What is Ax value? X squared yz plus Ay is 0 because there is no y component, so this is 0. Dou z component is dou by dou z. Az is xz. Fine. So if you differentiate, what you get is you get this. If you differentiate this one, differentiating with respect to x, 2xyz plus x. So del dot E. Fine. This is what a simple problem, right? So you see the thing. They gave a vector field. The question is in vector. The answer is a scalar. We know that divergence of vector is scalar. That's proved, right? Suppose if they ask us to find the divergence at point 1, 2, 3, simple. You have to substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. So del dot A at 1, 2, 3 means substitute x1, y2, z3. So 1 into 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 6, 12. X is 1. So that is what divergence at point 1, 2, 3. Right? It's a simple problem. What about second problem? Second problem is A vector is equal to rho sine phi A rho plus rho squared z A phi plus z cos phi Az. Right? So here you see what is the coordinate system. The coordinate system is rho phi z are there. So surely it must be a cylindrical coordinate system. So for cylindrical coordinate system, what is divergence equation? For cylindrical coordinate system, del dot A is given by, that's equal to 1 by rho by dou rho A rho plus 1 by rho dou A phi plus dou Az by dou z. What is A rho? A rho is a component of the vector along rho direction. This is a vector. What is the rho direction? This is the rho direction. What is the component here? This is what component here. So this is what A rho. The component of vector A along rho direction. Similarly, what is phi A phi? Component of vector along phi direction. This is phi direction. What is the component? This is what component. So A phi. Right? What is the component along z direction? This is what Az. Right? Simply substitute it and differentiate it. You will get the answer. So 1 by rho by rho, right? And rho into a rho. A rho is rho sine phi. So rho squared sine phi plus 1 by rho by dou phi. A phi is rho squared z plus dou by dou z. Az is z cos phi. You see, Az is z cos phi. So if you simplify that, what you get after differentiation? You will get answer as just 2 sin phi plus cos phi. That's what your del dot A, right? Again, it is a scalar. You see, there is no vector parameter, unit vector is there. So it's purely a scalar value, right? Because sin pi is a number, cos pi is a number, right? So simple answer. Suppose they ask us to find what is the divergence at point, because rho phi z, no? So 0.2 comma pi by 2 and 3 means it is what's cylindrical coordinate system because it is rho, one angle, one height. So what you have to do, suppose you have to find like this 2 comma pi by 2 comma 3. What is that? Rho is equal to 2, pi is equal to pi by 2. So 2 into sine pi by 2, cos pi is pi by 2, cos pi by 2 0, sine pi by 2 is 1. So the answer is scalar, right? So this is the way you have to find the value at particular point, right? Simple one. Third question is A vector is equal to 1 by r square cos theta ar plus r sin theta cos phi a theta plus cos theta a phi. You see, unit vector in r theta phi direction. R theta phi means it is spherical coordinate system. First understand that. Then you substitute the formula for spherical coordinates. What is the divergence in spherical coordinate system? The formula for divergence in spherical coordinate system is 1 by r squared rho by rho r squared ar plus 1 by r sin theta rho by rho theta a theta sin theta plus 1 by r sin theta dou a phi divided by dou phi. Right? You see what is AR? AR is the component of the vector along r direction. This vector, which is r direction, this is r direction. So this is the component. So this must be our AR. A theta is the component of vector A along theta direction. This is theta, A theta direction. So this is component. So this is what A theta. Similarly, this is what A phi. Right? Now the problem is just differentiation. So differentiate 1 by r square dou by dou r square. Instead of AR you substitute 1 by r square cos theta. Right? This is cancelled, simple. Plus differentiate cos theta only. 1 by r sin theta. Right? Dou by dou theta. A theta is this one. R sin theta cos phi into sin theta. So it will become sin square theta. Fine. Plus 1 by r sin theta dou by dou phi. What is a phi? A phi is cos theta only. Right? So what is the differentiation of cos theta with respect to pi? This will be a constant because differentiation with respect to pi, so it will be cancelled. So simple, after differentiation, what you get is del dot A is equal to 2 cos theta cos phi. Right? So this simple problem. You see again, the question is vector, A vector. This is a question, right? Here you see the answer is scalar. Suppose if they ask find divergence at point, what is that? 2 comma pi by 4 comma pi by 4. See, from this we can understand it is spherical coordinate system. Why? We have two angles. See, in spherical coordinate system only we have two angles, r theta phi. They gave the point with the two angles. Surely it is a spherical coordinate system. We got this divergence. So what is the divergence at point 2 comma pi by 4 comma pi by 4? So 2 cos pi by 4 cos pi by 4, 2 into cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, cos theta is pi by 2, pi by 4, again it is also 1 by root 2, it is 1, right? So Simple problem, right? I hope you understand the things clearly. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. Thank you.